Hello everyone, it's me Habib. Today I'm going to unbox the Faber Castell Polychromos 60 pieces. So here's what it looks like. It's like given since 1761, and as you all know that this product is made in Germany. So let's see the back side of it. Let's remove this one. See, as you can see here, everything is given so much nicely and delicate. It is thick and it is very awesome. Sorry, that my birds are chirping. I'm extremely sorry for that noise. But yeah, that's it. Faber Castell, and you're gonna watch it. Here you can see like the pink one is 2 stars. 2 stars and 2 stars, 2 stars. This 1, 2, 3, 4 colors are 2 stars. It's light fast, and if it is 3 stars, it is a highlight fast, and it's a masterpiece of their production. And you can see like most of them are, almost everyone is everything is 3 stars. Look, every color is 3 stars. Every color is 3 stars. Okay, let's not make it delay and just open it up. La, 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 la. Yeah, I'm opening it. Awesome. Okay, then we got it. We get it here. Let's open it. Voila! It's awesome. Have a close look of this. There's a book, Faber Castell book. There's like Faber Castell's origin. There are other products. And the way of painting. It's written in so many languages. Polychromos, like here. You can see it here. They're smudging it. The way of techniques. It's the techniques of using it. Then soft technique of using it, then different press point of the color. When you press hard, it's gonna show deep, and when you press soft, it's gonna be like, you can manage it up to your hand press. Afterwards I'm gonna show you that very soon. And zigzag, blah blah blah. Yes, there's, see that the shading. The main fact is Polychromos are oil based, and Prismacolors are wax based. So the Prismacolors are like most of the time Prismacolors, when you draw with Prismacolors, it comes very nice and very waxy, and it's deep color. But Polychromos is not like this because it is of oil. So let's have a look of it. So you can give, there's color textures of this. Which colors looks like I can see so many things right over here, so many colors. 1904 1000. Yeah, that's great. Okay, let's keep it aside and let's show this. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, and that's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 60 pieces. It's fine and delicate. It's very delicate. Let's pick up a point. Like which one? Okay, let's take this one. So look here it is. Wait, hold on. Okay, I don't know why my video's resolution is coming like that. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, there's 3 stars. There's 3 stars. It's light fast, and it's very thick. As you can see, it's very thick. As you can see. Hold on. It's very thick, and it's very fine. And because of this, And let me tell you one thing, because of this wood, the quality of wood, it doesn't break that much. But Prismacolors, when you use that, it breaks often because the wood is not that much cool and it is too much soft. That's why it doesn't break so much. It breaks. And Polychromos are like it's a little bit hard, and look, it's thick. It's very thick. So too much of quantity and quality. Too much of quantity and quality. And it's awesome, you know, like these 3 stars, most of them are 3 stars. Well, let me put it back. Let me put it back. And I'm gonna show something more cool right now. I'm gonna show the smudges things and a quick demonstration of a spear. And before that, so much, oh, these colors are so awesome. 60 shades of this. Okay, let's get back to the test point. Okay, yeah, let me put that side and put it here. Like you have seen low press, when you press the pencil low, how the color comes out, and when you press it medium press, and when you press it hard press, how the colors come out. After that, I'm gonna show you the way of shading with polychromes, how it is vary from Prismacolors and others. Well, let me choose a color. Let me choose green, dark green. Pine green. Let me choose pine green. Sorry for the pronunciation. Let us do this. Soft press. It's just soft press. Soft press. When it's soft press, you can do this. Soft press. Yeah, that's the color when you press it soft. Now let me see when you can merge it or not. No, you can't. It is oil based, so you can't do this. There will be some particles, oil particles, so you cannot smudge it with your fingers at least. That's it's done. Now let me do it like medium press. Let me do it a little bit medium press. Sorry for the noise outside there. I'm doing this video nearby my window, sorry for that. So when you press it mediumly, it comes out this color. Same color, but it comes out in this color. Okay, great. And when you do it more, look at this. When you press it hard, it comes out with another color. See, did you see it? You press it hard, it comes out with another color. Sorry, the color texture got out of the circle. Voila, look at this. Look at this. La, 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 la. So you have, when you press this low, you get this color, and when you press a little bit medium, you get this color, this texture, and when you press hard, you get like a oily smudge. Like, yeah, it's like oily. It's oily. Let's give it back. Let's try the shading right now. Let me grip up a color. Let me grip 2 colors. One is okay, dark chrome yellow. Another is light cadmium yellow. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a shade on it. I'm gonna make a shade of it. You know, like shading, you should do it like cadmium blue. Then I'm gonna take another thing. This thing, like you can put it shade on. See, you can make it hard and soft. Let me do it again. See, you can make a shade of it. Now let's try this together, all right? Let's try this like this. Try this like this. Yeah, it's working. But you see, there's a difference between it's not getting mixed. It's not getting mixed. There's a little bit, but for this Prismacolor is best for this shadings and blending. Okay, I'm gonna do it with. Then let me try this one. This one. See, it's not making that much good. I like Prismacolors, but it's good. I think it's a big and good invest for artists. It has so many colors and mostly cadmium blue, orange green. Let me use the white of it. Let me use white of it. Let me see what happens when I use white in between of this for shading. Yeah, it's smudging. It's getting smudged. Yeah, it's getting smudged, and it got smudged nicely. Fine and delicate. Let me zoom it and show you. Sorry, my stand is a little bit freaky. See, I'm zooming it off and smudging it with white color. Put it on the white like this. See, it smudges nicely. It's not that much hard enough to do the work. Okay, after that I'm gonna show you a demonstration too. So let's begin. I'm gonna show you a demonstration on this one. Like I'm gonna draw a spear. Okay, I'm gonna draw a spear. Like I'm going to show the demonstration of using Prismacolor. Using Polychromos. Like let's draw a blue spear. Indigo blue. Let me take this one. Let me draw the outline of it. Just. Draw the outline of it. It's nice. Okay, now I'll show the demonstration very quickly with the spear. Okay, and now I'm going to go for the time lapse. All right. Thank you. So as you can see that the spear is done, and it's not getting quite nice texture. Look, it has some oily particles. So for smudging, we need smudger or a white substance, which I accidentally don't have right now. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, the shading goes well with white smudger. Look, it's smudged with white. It's delicate. It's done nicely. So this is it. Thanks for having a nice time with us, and let's get it to the backed up. Thank you. That's all for tomorrow. That's all for today. And if you like to watch something more, it is giving right over here. It is given. You can watch it from here. You can watch it. All right. And if you want, you can subscribe it here. Subscribe it right over there. Okay. All right. Thank you.